In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in your Epson WorkForce 2950 all-in-one printer. So first thing is to switch on the printer. On the main screen, scroll ahead. Click on the settings. Click on the maintenance. Select ink cartridge replacement. Replace ink cartridge. Press OK. Press this button. Lift it from this side. Wait for the ink cartridges to come in this side. Now take it out. So press this lock and lift it out. Just do it for all the 4 ink cartridges. Take your new ink cartridge. So first we will place the black. So just place it here and push it down. It will lock itself. Then yellow. You just have to match the color and the alphabets. It's very easy to install. You simply press it down and it locks. That's the last ink cartridge. To close it, just lift it up and let it go down, and again lift it up and it will close completely. Go to the printer main screen. Once we replace the ink cartridges, click on the start button. So that is here. It will take around 4 minutes for the ink to start, so you just have to wait for that, and then we are ready to use the printer. Thanks for watching.